Free shower poof video crochet pattern. With cotton yarn and size H hook, chain 10 and join to the first chain with a slip stitch to form a ring. Chain 1 and single crochet in the ring. Repeat the following 40 times. Chain 5 and single crochet in the ring. You will have to keep pushing the stitches around the chain 10 ring so that all 40 will fit. Slip stitch into the beginning single crochet to end the round. Slip stitch into the first chain 5 loop. Chain 4. This counts as the first double crochet and chain 1. In the same loop, make a double crochet and a chain 1. You will do this 7 times in the same loop. Note: I should have made a chain 1 here, but I forgot. It will make no difference in the finished project. In the next loop, make a double crochet and a chain 1. You will do this 8 times in the same chain 5 loop. As things get tighter, you will have to pay closer attention to your next chain 5 loop. At the end of the round, chain 3 and single crochet in the ring. Now chain 30 for your hanging loop and double crochet back into the chain 5 loop. There is no need to join on this round. Round 3. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain 2. Repeat this process a round of chain 2 and single crochet in the next chain 1 loop. End the round with a slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. End off and weave in the end. If you like this video and would like to see more, hit the like and subscribe buttons.